In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Color Picker tool in your design software. This tool is essential for anyone working in digital art or design, allowing you to accurately sample colors from anywhere on your screen and apply them seamlessly into your projects. First, to find the Color Picker tool, you'll want to look at the Tools panel. Here you will see an icon that looks like an eyedropper, often labeled as the Color Picker. For those of you who appreciate shortcuts, simply press the I key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. This will enable you to access the tool without the hassle of searching through the toolbar. Once the tool is active, take a moment to check out the Context toolbar located at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find various settings that tailor how the tool functions. One setting you'll notice is the Apply to Selection feature. If you want the color you sample to be automatically applied to the selected object's fill or stroke, this is the setting to toggle on. On the other hand, if you prefer to sample a color without applying it immediately, you can leave it turned off. Another setting to consider is the Source option. Generally, you'll choose between sampling from the Current Layer or Global. The Current Layer setting allows you to extract color from only the selected layer, providing precision in your work. Meanwhile, choosing Global enables color sampling from any visible layer or even outside the application, which can be incredibly useful in certain scenarios. Don't overlook the Radius or Sample Area adjustment. This setting influences how many pixels around your cursor are used in determining the averaged color sample. A single pixel sample offers pinpoint accuracy, but increasing the area to a 3x3 or larger grid can give you a more averaged color sample, useful in capturing the essence of complex or textured areas. When you're ready to sample a color, simply click on the area from which you want to sample, or click and drag to select a broader area. Dragging also allows you to move outside the document window or even screen borders, making it possible to sample colors from other applications or windows, an excellent feature for designers working across multiple platforms. If the Apply to Selection option was enabled, you'd immediately see the sampled color in the current fill or stroke swatch. Otherwise, it becomes available in the color panels, ready for you to apply manually as needed. Finally, if you find a color you want to use repeatedly, you can save it by adding it to a swatches palette. Navigate to the Swatches panel and with your sampled color active, click on the Add Current Fill to Palette button. You'll see an icon that resembles a grid with a plus sign. Here, you can decide whether you want to save it to the Document, Application, or System palette, allowing for easy access in future projects. And there you have it, the complete guide on using the Color Picker tool with confidence. By mastering these settings and options, you can enhance your workflow and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.